Hey, how's it going? It's Krause. Thanks for coming to my channel. It's Friday evening, pre-Halloween, and traffic sucks, so I figured to make this video. And it was an awesome session today at Hangar 18, the old factory in Orange County. As a dynamic climber, if I see a problem, in this case 2 reds that have yellow holds, I try and make my own climb. And it was so much fun. It was nothing but just non-stop, and it was so cool. So hang out and like, subscribe, enjoy. So as I walked up to this red, this is what I visualized. Excuse the mess, but this is what I saw. So everything with a green check is on, the circle is off, and this is the breakdown as far as the moves. That's what I wanted to do. And those are the ones I skipped. And then coming into this is my first attempt. This first fin was a little bit of a struggle. Took me a couple tries to get the movements down, and eventually I got the right beta for it. And what I ended up doing was, in this one, this is my, let me see, 1, 2, 3, this is my 4th attempt. And I finally send it, little heads up there. But I ended up grabbing it, and I did like this little toe move inside this this part. That was kind of cool. And I transitioned real quick with both the hands, and I just flipped over to the next fin, and I finally got that beta. The problem with this was that I went to try and repeat it, and I had difficulties. But anyway, you'll see it in a few minutes, or in a few seconds, whatever. But enjoy. It was fun getting the first send. It's always great when you can plan something out, get the moves, and get the top. So it's kind of cool. So after a couple fails, I finally got my repeat beta send, and what I ended up doing was really just matching my hands, pulling it real quick, and then shifting, and that made the difference. So it was a quick pull up, and then shift my hands real quick, and then I got the beta right, so I could repeat it. So I did another repeat of the send, and then I'll show another angle of it, but really fun to figure it out. Really kind of cool. And again, the whole session I was non-stop. So once I got there, I kept going. I did one warm-up climb, and then just stayed on this climb until I was able to repeat it with more efficiency. And this is my final climb. It kind of shows you the pitch and the angle, but really liked the movements, and it was really fun. So it's all about fun. That toe hook was kind of cool. I like that a lot.